Hi guys, we are going to solve the Hack the Box invite challenge. And on completion of this challenge, we should be able to get the code that allows us to be able to register and join Hack the Box. Okay, so this involves some old school web application hacking, and we can just go ahead and start this. So first, you inspect the web page. You can do Control Shift I or just right click and select inspect. Okay, so this shows us some interesting stuff behind the web page. We see a few JavaScripts running behind here, and since JavaScript is able to execute code, I bet that the function we are looking for to help us generate the code will probably be in one of these. Since I've already done this, I know there's something interesting running inside invite api.min.js, so I can just right click that and then view the source code there. Okay, so you can see this is evaluating something. It's running a function, and what is interesting here is the make invite code function. Now we have verify invite code, but in this case we're interested in actually getting a code, so make invite looks pretty interesting at this point. We can come here, navigate to console, an interesting view here, and then type make invite here, make invite code, open and close brackets, and then hit enter. Now we get a response 200, and if you're familiar with web application responses, you know that 200 is a successful response. Okay, so we see a value here, and we are told that it's a base 64 encoded value. Okay, so we can copy this and then try and decode, knowing with the foreknowledge that it is base 64 encoded. Okay, so I just pull up my command prompt. I'm running Ubuntu 18.04, and Linux has this program called base 64 that I can use to do decoding of base 64. You can alternatively go online and just paste this inside a base 64 decoder online. I'll show you how to do both. Okay, so the command is echo. I paste the base 64 encoded value, and then I pipe it to the base 64 program, and then -d. -d means decode. And hit enter, and that shows me in ASCII what is behind this base 64 encoded value. I see that as an instruction that says in order to generate the invite code, make a post request to API slash invite slash generate. Okay, so that's interesting. We can alternatively run this inside using a web based base 64 decoder. And so I think I have base 64 decode.org. We simply paste the encoded variable here, and usually like to take off the quotes. You can try with the quotes and see what comes up. I take off the quotes just to be on the safe side, and we see that we get the same instruction as we did when I ran this from the command prompt. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Let's do a post request to hackthebox.eu using the subdirectory listing here. Okay, so let me clear the screen, and we'll run the so the two ways I mainly use do post requests. I either use curl, the utility curl, or I do this with burp suite. Now burp is going to take me longer to set up, but I think curl is already pre-installed here, and I can just quickly run curl -x. -x means make a request. Now if you want to see all the other functions curl supports, you can do curl-a. If you want to see all the other switches curl uses, sorry, curl-h shows you all the switches that curl supports. let's come here. We see that kel hyphen x allows you to make a request, and then I can supply the method that I want to use for the request with kel. So I just say kel hyphen x, and I'm supposed to make a post request according to the instruction. A post request to API invite generate. Okay, from the Hackthebox domain. So simply come here and select what I need, which is the hackthebox.eu. And then I paste that here, and then I add the invite code, the subdirectory. This then says API invite generate. Okay, so let me just copy this and then paste that here. Clean this up. So I'm making a post request to this URL. I hit enter, and okay, so I get my response, and I see another base 64 encoded value. Here, this is base 64 encoded value. And copy this, and then I can run the same script again. I can try doing my echo to decode this. Echo pipe this to base 64, and then -d for decode. Yeah, and this gives me the invite code that I need to join Hackthebox. So this is how to solve the Hackthebox challenge. And with this invite code, you can join. I already have an account here, so I don't need to really do this. But I mean, just for the sake of completion, I'll just paste this over here, and then hit sign up. And that should take me to a page where I can do the sign up. But because I already have an account, I'm already logged into Hackthebox. Alright, thank you, and I'm available if you need assistance with doing this thing on your own. But you can try out the stuff I've showed in the video, and all the best.